Alright guys, I did a couple practice shots with the standard 15 round mag on the Glock 19. I have these two right here, the extended mags, the 9mm, the extended mags, 33 round. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put the mag inside the gun, cock it back, and I'm going to shoot all of them and see if the Glock 19 jams or if it does a good job. So right now we're going to test it out. We're going to see how it goes. All 33 went perfect, smooth. Now for the next one. Glock 19 did perfect, right?
Yes, sir.
There you go, guys. You could buy an extended clip for your Glock 19, Glock 17. Let that thing rip without having a problem. All right.